Hey, listen, I quit. Yeah, I'm going into stocks.
Name of the game. Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket.
But if you can make your client's money at the same time, it's advantageous to everyone, correct?
No one is paying attention. It's unbelievable.
Have to act now.
God, this is intimate. I feel like I'm financially inside of you or something.
Okay.
I have 5 houses and a condo.
I'm considering going long on April wheat. What do you think, Valentine?
Hi guys, welcome to the Greedy Trader channel. Well, I'm not exactly greedy, as most of you old watchers of the channel will testify. I have the most conservative approach to trading. It's just a nice parody idea from the Gordon Gekko mantra. There are only 2 kinds of traders, the greedy ones and the fearful ones.
Greed, for lack of a better word, is good. Greed is right. Greed works.
Those of you who are new to the channel, this is where you can learn how to really trade like a professional. Every video I make is packed with real examples with before and after scenarios, so you can see that it is simply a question of sticking with the plan and not changing it because you're having an emotional meltdown. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Market Profile for trading. In case you're wondering why listen to some guy on the internet, well, I've been a broker, professional trader, and everything in between for the good part of 15 years, and I have no time for bullshit. Let's get on with the video. First and foremost, I assume you already have access to Market Profile. If you don't, there's several options from Sierra Charts to CQG, but they all cost money. If you're feeling a little tight, then join my Discord server and subscribe to my mailing list on the Trade Trail blog, and I'll email you instructions on how to get this Market Profile I'm using for this video. Once you've got your hands on a Market Profile tool, then you'll need to configure it. I have a video on how to set up Market Profile for Sierra Charts. Head to the description below to link to that video. Next step is to understand what to do with your Market Profile. It's no good having all this cool stuff, not knowing what to do with it. Market Profile is divided into auction periods represented by letters. So, for example, a period auction represents the first 30 minutes of trading. If you prefer, you can make it represent the first hour if that suits you. There's really no right or wrong. These auction periods collectively represent what's called a profile. So for example, a daily profile will consist of 24 1-hour auctions. These auctions are compressed so you can visualize the volume traded at each price level over a series of auctions. Stay with me, people. I hope I haven't lost you. If I have, then don't worry, here comes an example. Here's a split profile showing individual auction rotations of an hour each on the Forex pair GBP USD, also called cable. Here is that same split profile collapsed. Super cool, right? Well, now I can see where the majority of traders traded by looking at the shape of the profile. Seeing the market this way helps you understand where true support and resistance is likely to be, as opposed to an arbitrary line on the chart. Let me explain this differently using what you understand. Yes, candlestick charts. If I have to view another candlestick chart, I might just vomit. Okay, I'm kidding. Candlestick charts are fine, they just lack depth. Anyway, see how the price seems to find support on the bottom or top third of the previous candle? Why do you think that is? It's because the price is hitting bids or offers stacked in those places. Unbelievable, right? You spent 1 year studying markets and you never noticed that. I know the feeling. If you're still here, stay with me. There are many more light bulb moments ahead. So hit subscribe now, like the video, and let's keep going. So now that we know how to identify true support and resistance with Market Profile, our next job will be to understand 2 other core principles. The first is the initial balance. The initial balance is the first hour of trading. In the advent of 24-hour markets, with pre-markets and aftermarkets, it's pretty hard to really know when the first hour of trading really is. I like to take one of the major session opens. This could be London, New York, or Chicago. This will be largely based on the asset you're trading. For example, assets with underlying futures are going to see a lot more volume in the Chicago Open than say assets that are not heavily traded in the futures markets, like some small cap stocks, for example. The initial balance tends to set the tone and give you a clue of the kind of range extension to expect. Let's take, for example, the S&P 500 futures. Let's say the initial balance is 50 points for argument's sake, and typically the total days range of the profile is 100 points. Then we can deduce that an initial balance of 25 points will mean that we can expect to get a range extension of 4 times the balance. By contrast, a larger balance of say 80 points will imply that most of the business was done at the open, so we can expect a failed range extension at some point. This does not always happen, but it does most of the time, so we can think of the initial balance as a tone setter to the kind of profile you'll expect to see. The second thing you need to understand to use market profile effectively is the value area. The value area is where 70% of all trading volume occurred. In other words, the fair price. The fairest price is what we call the point of control, also found in the value area. Smart day traders buy the value area low and sell the value area highs. This makes sense as the value area is formed because the vast majority of traders cannot create range extension due to lack of financial buying power. This is exactly what creates a trading range, or what we call a neutral profile. If you want to see another video on profile types, comment below and I'll make. So how can you use market profile to make trades? Well, you can trade off those support and resistances that form due to high volume of orders, or you can do value trades. So trade back and forth through value like a day trader, or you can do opening range trades. There are a million ways to get creative with market profile. I'll be doing a lot of videos on market profile in the coming weeks, so I'll dive deeper into strategy and all aspects of market profile. Support the channel by subscribing, leaving nice comments. No spammers please, I censor all my comments. I know I shouldn't, but I can't help myself. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Till my next video, adios.
Hey, listen, I quit. Yeah, I'm going into stocks.
Name of the game. Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket.
But if you can make your clients money at the same time, it's advantageous to everyone, correct?
No.
No one is paying attention.
It's unbelievable.
Have to act now.
God, this is intimate. I feel like I'm financially inside of you or something.
Okay.
I have 5 houses and a condo.
I'm considering going long on April week. What do you think, Valentine?